I never imagined that arugula had all these benefits. After knowing all these incredible benefits, you will want to eat arugula every day. And before I tell you what these benefits are, tell me below in the comments, which is your favorite salad. Arugula, which is part of the broccoli, mustard, and watercress family, is actually extremely healthy and can be included in a dish even if you're not a big fan of it. And when we talk about all the benefits of arugula, it's easy to understand why it's so good to include it in your diet. Besides being very easy to grow and combine with other foods, it helps those who want to lose weight and avoid many health problems just by eating well. It improves vision and skin health, as arugula is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It helps to improve eye health and even cell reproduction. Vitamin C can even help prevent cataracts. The carotenoids that also act in the renewal of our cells and slow down the degenerative process of the skin cells, delaying aging. In addition, they stimulate the release of melanin and protect against UV rays. Guys, comment on which city you are watching us so I can send you a hug, and I will take the opportunity to pass on a message that is in Matthew 6:34. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will bring its own worries. Each day is enough of its own trouble. It is natural to feel worried about the future. Nobody knows what will happen tomorrow, and this uncertainty makes our lives difficult. But there is one person who knows all things past, present and future, God. He is in control of all things, so we need not be afraid of the future. Reflect on this message, and meanwhile I will continue the video. Helps to reduce cancer. One of the main benefits of arugula is lowering the risk of cancer. Can lower the risk of getting mainly lung cancer and cervical cancer. Eating arugula also helps strengthen the immune system, this thanks to the levels of vitamin C that are present in arugula. High immunity helps boost our body's defenses, protecting us from a range of infections and diseases. Self-aids in brain functions. The improvement of brain functions occurs because the vitamin K present in arugula is known to help strengthen our cognitive activities. With this, it is possible to avoid degenerative brain diseases such as Alzheimer's and other dementias, improve focus, and keep the mind always active. The minerals and antioxidants present in arugula are also essential for a good sex life, since they are capable of favoring an increase in libido. Helps regulate diabetes. Another of the greatest benefits of arugula is associated with the treatment of diabetes. Because it is high in antioxidants, substances that act to control the levels of free radicals in the body, it helps lower glucose levels and increase sensitivity to insulin. It improves muscle oxygenation. The arugula is also an excellent option for those who practice physical activities, for presenting a large volume of arugula contributes to the improvement in muscle oxygenation. And then, did you ever imagine that this salad had so many benefits? Tell me in the comments which of these benefits you need the most for your health. I want to know when you will prepare your arugula salad and what are the ingredients that accompany arugula in your salads. I hope to see you in the next video. A kiss and see you there. Bye.